Hello, we are Group 6. Today I will talk about our research topic, the effect of e-service quality on university students' certification in online shopping. Next, I will introduce our topic. Online shopping is growing very fast, especially after COVID-19. It gives us convenience, saves times, and gives us many choices. University students often buy books, clothes, and so on online. They are a big group of internet users and have strong influence. But many commercial platforms still have problems, like information through customer service and security risk. Also, few studies focus on how university students feel about online shopping service. That's why our research is important. Next is our problem statement. University students are a large and growing part of the commercial market. Their certification affects the profit and market share of online retailers. But low e-service quality reduces their certification, repeat purchase, and loyalty. With high competition in online shopping, companies need better service strategies for students to stay competition and grow. If these problems are not studied well, platforms may lose students and competitiveness, and the students may not have good online shopping experience. Next, I will summarize our literacy review. Many studies look at the e-service quality for students. They found the key factors such as efficiency, reliability, fulfillment, and privacy. For example, Jeremy found the efficiency and reliability are important. Shaw and Pan focus on the reliability and accuracy. Mobashir introduced the responsiveness, emphasis, and reliability. But most studies focus only on e-learning, platform, and mobile shopping. Few studies look at general online shopping for university students. Also, emotional factors are not fully explored. Some studies only use small sample in single country.
This study used a circle model with 5 parts: reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy, and tangibleness. We made 5 ideas. Each one, being reliable helps students trust the service. Each 2, quick help make students happy. Each 3, trustworthy service gives students confidence. Each 4, care and understanding build a connection. Each 5, good design and looks give a good feeling. Other studies support these ideas. This is our study plan. The 5 parts: reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy, and tangible may affect students' satisfaction. We use this plan to get our study. It helps us know what to test and what to ask in the survey. We think all 5 parts have improved satisfaction. This framework is based on the circle model and past research. We used a survey with numbers to collect data. Students answered questions, and we used the answers to get the result. This way is good because we can ask many students and get clear data. Using numbers helps us check our ideas easily. This method fits our study goals well, because we want to measure and compare service quality and satisfaction.
Let's start with our sampling method. In this research, we use the convenience sampling. This means we choose people who were easy to reach, such as our classmates, friends, and students from the same faculty. It was the best method for us because we had limited time and resources, and it helped us collect data quickly. We collected 30 wild responses. Even though 30 sounds small, it's still enough for basic statistical analysis. According to the central limit theorem, 30 is a minimum number for a normal distribution, so it was acceptable for our study. Next is the measurement part. We designed a structured questionnaire with 3 parts. The first part collected demographic data like age, gender, monthly allowance, and shopping habits. The second part measured service quality using 3 areas: responsiveness, reliability, and trust, and empathy and personalization. The third part focused on student satisfaction. We used a 5-point likely scale to rate each statement to test the reliability of our questionnaire. We used course batches alpha, and all results were above 0.85. Which means the questions were very consistent. We also used factor analysis to check the structure. It was good. For data collection, we used both online and offline methods. We shared the surveys through WhatsApp, Telegram, and also gave printed forms in class and at the library. Some students didn't want to participate or didn't complete the survey. To solve this, we explained the purpose clearly and gave small rewards like a lucky draw to encourage them. We ended up with 30 complete responses.
We checked if our survey is reliable using Cronburn's alpha. All scores are more than 0.7, which is good. Responsiveness got 0.888, showing strong result. One question was a bit lower but still useful. Reliability and trust scored 0.929, and empathy got 0.92. Both are excellent. This means our questions work well and data is good to use.
Next, I will talk about our correlation analysis. First is the responsiveness. It shows how fast and helpful the customer service in online shopping platform. Most studies think the customer service is good and replies are acceptable, but some students feel replies are always quickly enough. Students feel happy with responses they receive. Next is reliability and trust. It's about whether students trust the platform and feel safe using it. Most students believe the platform are reliable, give correct product detail, and keep their information safe. They feel comfortable making payments and trusting the service. Students have good opinions about e-service quality. They trust the platform the most, then like the responsiveness, and lastly, the personal care they get. All this help build their certification in online shopping.
Finally, we did an ANOV test to see if different groups of students had different opinions. We tested gender, age, monthly allowance, shopping frequency, and shopping platforms. But in all cases, the p-values were above 0.05, which means no significant difference was found. This tells us that students, no matter their background, share similar views on service quality when shopping online.